Guys, we're here at the ice cream truck. I'm here with Nanea, and she brought her dog Mele. And here is Gingersnap. And Eva's working the truck this time. So here we go. Hi. Hello, Nanea. What can I get for you? Can you get me an ice cream cone? What flavor? Grape. Okay. Coming right up. Thank you, Eva. You're welcome, Nanea. My favorite. Hi. Hello, Gingersnap. What can I get for you? Grape flavored ice cream. I'm sorry, sweetie. I already gave that one to your sister. I want grape flavored. I want grape flavored. Gingersnap. Be nice. What flavors do you have? What flavors do you have? I have chocolate, blueberry, even popsicles, and you want a popsicle? Yeah, a pink one. Oh, okay, coming right up. This is yummy. Are you enjoying your grape flavored ice cream cone? Yeah. If you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe, and in the comment section let me know what you think. Bye.